Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can claim 20th anniversary of Call of Duty. You can get a reward from this event. So what you need to do is tap the events, tap the future. As you can see, this one, Call of Duty 20th anniversary login. So I want to claim this login one day. This is calling card. Tap equip. So item successfully equipped. Tap continue. Let's get back. Tap my banner. Tap the basic. As you can see, my calling card range soak is active. And let's get back to main events. Tap the future. Let's scroll down this one. Called Call of Duty 20th anniversary login. So if you want to get more rewards, you have to log in 5 days in a row. So this is the day 3. You get 20-year warrior. This is a sticker that you can stick it to your weapon. And this is the final day reward, the ghost soldier, Anno Dominate, ghost in the Anno Dominate uniform. So please log in 5 days in a row to get all the rewards. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. That's okay. Thanks button below. Enjoy the game.